say wa ha Ghana Music Awards for edi omudwumadia ayo omutimi ma category say Male Vocalist of the Year no am say brand here bi ani anyi kra say ade no mo nominate no because no etimi kam sebe jaja nim say enye obi ya no wasa ba tena nti ye strobia Ras Kuuku what wodi miam otimi ko bi say ni ma show ye kwe referencing oh zongo fair ko bi say dwuma ye o otimi ma high tenor ba auto mfinfi wo no watie tenor bass na tenor bass wo de otisi wo ye jaja nim say ni obi apuo no aba o kasa de e say me strobia muntie na hia asem na mo financial Male Vocalist wono mu ye di bra bre no mo hwemra
the incoming Male Vocalist of the Year.
Incoming Male Vocalist of the Year.
Yeah.
And it's been one category that you've been eyeing for quite a while.
Yeah. And
right.
I should be there. I don't know the reason why the people don't put me there. But
they don't put you there. Why?
I don't know. People are like, why?
But you have very beautiful songs that display your vocal prowess.
Yeah, so I've told them, no, on the 9th, when we're lining up, you know, then you give us a mic. We'll be on boss. So say 1 minute to 1 minute class. So from there, you
will know who the real vocalist is.
Yeah.
But have you filed? Because TGMA has opened the window for nomination. Have you filed already?
Done deal.
Done deal?
Yes, I
And you submitted a certain record for the Vocalist of the Year.
I was in the house when Andy called me, and I was at that I was sleeping. So
Sebe, Mr. Ramo. Sebe ne nkwanti muntie na hia so da momfa na nhye ho so deserve a man for but for man no deserve so ase na o category nim oh no obi a ho nto no afi we dia mesrem yo me da ase pi se motie